To check your transaction history on Uber, follow these simple steps. This guide will help you navigate the app and find all your past transactions easily. Step 1. Open the Uber app. Launch the Uber app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access your transaction history. Step 2. Access your account. Tap on the profile icon located in the top right corner of the app's home screen. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Go to your trips. In the account menu, look for the option labeled your trips or trip history. Tap on it to view a list of all your past rides and transactions. Step 4. Select a trip. Scroll through your trip history and select the specific trip you want to check. This will open detailed information about that ride, including the fare breakdown. Step 5. Review transaction details. Once you have selected a trip, you can see the total fare, payment method, and any additional charges. You can also find the option to receive a receipt via email if needed. By following these steps, you can easily check your transaction history on Uber. If you have any further questions or need assistance, feel free to explore the help section within the app.